I know you are excited to come to Bennett University School of Management. Believe me, not only me, all of us are excited to welcome you to the new MBA program. We have curated the program very carefully, very meticulously, so that you can have fun, you can have learning, you can have a lifetime experience of doing an MBA. You don't know what all you are going to get here. You will be on for a global immersion. You will be sent for n number of projects in market. You will be doing many assignments, many projects, and you will learn a lot of things. You will do a lot of things. Stay excited, keep learning. It will be an experience for you for your entire life.